Okay, I would like to briefly introduce this the homework 7. That is the poker game. So this a poker game. It's the assignment is very good to practice function operators and matrix operation. So it looks complicated, but when you solving the when you complete the function one by one, you realize that this is really the interesting topic, interesting problem. And I think that initially your code is getting very long and then very messy, and then it's hard to imagine the simple solution. But all the solution is less than 10 line in my solution. And because we can reuse some of the function that we already designed, and then I solved all of this problem using the operator. Okay, vectorize the code. So this is a really good example, and then you can feel free to discuss with your friend to make a better solution. Okay. So before the solving this problem, you need to carefully review this problem description on the first page. If you click this one, you will see that this problem description. Okay, you first read this problem description carefully. Okay, and then there are 10 problem. So basically you only submit this main poker game problem. The rest of this 9 problem is just for testing your function. So basically this 9 function, you're going to design this 9 function. Those 9 functions should be included in this main poker game so that you pass the test. Okay? So rather than the testing your function, your main poker game, so I designed this 9, the problem in this in this grader so that you can check each function using this malloc grader. Okay. The task is you're going to design the poker game. Okay. This poker game, script is not competing with your friend, another player. The script itself is find out what is the rank of your card. Okay. So this poker game is a 7 card. Its name is a 7 card. So first is there's 52 card in a deck, and then 13 number 1, 2, 10 JQK and 13 number, and the 4 different suit: club, diamond, heart, spades. Okay, 7 cards is the classic poker game where 7 cards are distributed to each player. Okay, you will have a 7 card. Okay, and then to win the game is the highest rank. These are this 10 rank. Okay, so lower flush, straight flush to the pair and high card. Okay, we are not going to design this function for high card because if your card have no such the first 9 combination, that is the high card. Okay, so that's why this high card is automatically detected. Okay, one thing I think many people already knew this rule that this ace cards has a value either 1 or 14. So that's why the highest value is the ace, because ace become a 1 to 14. Okay, and also the straight. So if you see the straight is a series of the 5 cards that follow each other. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 cards in a row, regardless of this suit. That is a straight. So, but ace become a 1 to 14. So 10 Jack Q K A, also the string. Okay, it makes it a little bit tricky when you design your function. Okay, you can review this rank. Okay, and here's the thing. Okay, so the cards, there's the 52 card, and each card has a number and suit, right? So this we assigned this 1 to 52 integer to represent each card. So here's the order of the card. Okay, 1 ace. So this is the order: club, diamond, heart, spade. So here 1 is to indicate the 1 club, 2 1 ace diamond, 3 is a 1 heart, and 4 is a 1 spade, and then 5 is a 2 club, 6 is 2 diamond, 2 heart, 2 spade, 3 club, 3 diamond, 3 heart, you know. Do you understand this order? So this integer number is to represent a specific card. Okay? Does it make sense? Okay. The situation where we get the 7 card is we generate the 7 number within the 1 to 50. Okay? Because each integer number is indicate the one specific card. Okay? So that's this one. 7 numbers within the 1 to 50 have been randomly generated to mimic the player receiving the 7 card. Do you understand this meaning? Okay. You have to design the 9 function for rank 1 to 9. Okay. Here, 1 to 9. This rank. Okay. And each function determines if the 7 card include the corresponding combination. Okay, that's the important. Okay, okay. If you put here's I put only the 5 card. If you the 7 card include those kind of the sequence, there's the say like this one is the royal flush. This has a royal flush. This 7 card has a royal flush combination. Okay, your function determines that one. Okay, it's like a binary, yes or no. Okay, I already mentioned this. If 7 card is a 1 to 9 combination, could become a rank 10. Okay, so there are 10 mallet grader problem, but you only need to submit the last question. It's a main question. That is your goal. Okay, we are not grading the top 9 question. This one is just for testing. You only submit that one, the main one. Okay, but you need to to pass all this 9 tests anyway to design this last question. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, but here the model function for check pair and check straight are already included in the problem. So you can get the idea how to design this function. So basically this means you only design the 7 function to finish this homework assignment. Okay? Designing the check straight for rank 6 is a bit challenging. Okay? I used the string find function to design the check string, but I would say the other model solution for other function did not use this string find. Okay, so I mean you just take a look at how I designed this string function, but you're not going to use those idea for designing the rest of the function. But this check pair is very important. This gives us all the idea how to design the rest of the function. So please closely take a look at this check pair function. Okay. one big thing is you can reuse the function that you designed to simplify your process. And the last one is this one. This table is extremely useful. Okay? I think that you can design all this 7 function using this table. This table and operator. It's like a vectorization of all this script for 7 function using this table. So please keep this table and then think of how to design your function using this table. That's very important. Once you know this part, you're done. Okay? So that's why I mentioned here, if you don't understand why it's useful, you will take a lot of time to complete this homework assignment. Okay? Once you know that, you can easily done this work. Okay? Okay, so let me see the check pair. Okay? If you go there, so here I included this function, okay, on the script. Okay, so basically, so if you click the other function, so here, so these are the tasks as a given code. So this script, this task in question is to check this function, check to fair. So you're going to design this function like a function is a to pair, and you need to design the something here. Something here. Okay, and then this script is call this a function, and then assign your card is has a 2 pair combination or not. Okay, make sense? Okay, let's see this one. Check pair. Okay, run it. Okay. Of course, I mean I copied my solution to here. That's why I can pass the test. So, but here I'm just explain this logic. Num test is I generate this num test numbers of the 7 card. Okay. So that's why it's a card all is a 7 by the num test. And then this loop structure is a read individual column. This column include your card. It's a 7 card. 7 card is a integer number. 7 integer number within the 1 to 52. Okay. So random perm is like a pick the 7 number in between the 1 to 52. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. Then, so card all is this one 7 by num test, and then read each card, the column. There's a 7 card, and then this 7 integer numbers is your input for your function. The output is just a binary, meaning that your card has a pair or not. Okay? Does it make sense? Okay. So I'm not explaining how it works here. So please take a look at this code and then design the other function with a similar logic. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the main function. Okay? So you're supposed to write each function. So again, this script is include the script in the first part and then function part. Okay, there's one function already here, Then you're going to add the 9 function at the bottom of this script. 9 function is this one. Okay, this one. So you're going to include this 9 function at the bottom of this script. Okay, so see this? This script is called the individual function in the script part. But here is the script part of the function. Okay. Design the 9 function and include them at the bottom of the given code. Each function provide a true or false or logical output. Okay. Okay. This is a very important. But this one is kind of the confusing part when you design this function. Okay, but let me first the explain the given code. Okay, so this one is also the generate the 200 card number, and then I manually assign some kind of the key sequence because with the 200 random card sequence does not likely include the lower straight flush. Okay, so these are the poker probability. So lower flush is only the it's a very, very low probability. So that's why I manually assigned this one. Okay, by generating this random number, so you don't know where is the lower flush in the card number. Okay, and then I designed another loop structure, then read the card number, and then call this a function check rank. Check rank is the function they are already given. Okay, and then this check rank is produces the rank 1 to 10. Okay. And then this value assigned the solution rank, that is num test by 1. So basically, the solution rank vector generate from your code, and then solution rank generate from my code will be compared. Okay, makes sense? Okay, so let's start to get the check rank. Okay, but this one is a little bit confusing part. So if check rank your card, okay, so basically this one is I just removed this part, true. Okay, so this check royal flush, each function produces a true or false. Okay, true means that there's those sequence, those combination. False, there's no such combination, right? So if you place this function from the highest to the lowest, so let's say your card has a lower flush sequence, then what happened? If you your code is this one condition statement will be true, so rank is the 1. Okay, this makes sense. So again, the if else if statement is only the one action is executed. This means we are not going to evaluate the other function. Okay, if it is true, the same thing. So let's say, so your card sequence there's a 4 of a kind here. Okay, then this one is a false. 4 of a kind is the true. That's why it's a rank 3 is assigned to the rank. Does it make sense? Okay, that's how this script is working. So here, so you're going to add this each of these 9 functions at the bottom of your script. Okay, let's go back to this part. So you don't need to determine if only one combination is possible. Okay, for instance, check pair function might produce a higher rank card. Of course, let's say there's a lower flush, what about here. Let's say there's a four of a kind combination in your card. So if you put this four of a kind sequence, this card, to the check pair, your answer could be 1, true. Of course, it's a four of a kind, it's a four card in the same, right? That include a pair, right? Okay. So this 9 function is designed to produce that is true. For instance, there's a four of a kind in your sequence. If you apply the check pair, the answer is true. Okay. That is how I designed this 9 function. But what I want to mention this one is that result does not affect the final decision. Why? Let's say there's a four of a kind. So your evaluation stop at this part. Okay? Your code is not going to evaluate your card as a pair or not. So no matter your function is produces the card sequence as a four of a kind as a pair or not, it doesn't matter because your four of a kind function is the true. So correctly designed, your script is finished at this part. Okay, that's why this result does not affect the final rank decision. Because your card evaluates from the highest rank to the lowest rank. Okay. So, do you understand this part? Okay, again, let's assume that your card has a four of a kind. For you include let's say, okay, let's make a simple example. You have 4 ace in your card okay? The true rank is the four of a kind, right? But this card is include a pair combination, right? So when you design the check pair, the answer could be true. But what I'm saying is it could be it doesn't matter that it's a false or the true, because if you see this script, they first evaluate the check pair. If it's true, they're not going to evaluate the check pair. Okay, but the way I designed this function is that in that case the answer is true. Okay. Okay. My recommendation, you can for design this main poker game function, you pass this 9 test, and then you just copy and paste the main to here to pass this test. That is my recommendation. But if you don't want to do that, you can directly design your 9 function through this main problem. Okay. Good.